Hello student, as promised now we are going to start with question paper solution of statistics of last 5 years. In the previous video I have covered till practice set 6.6, all the concept, everything is covered. Problem set 6 is pending, that I have requested. If someone need it, please comment, I'll definitely post the video for that as well. So because this is on priority, considering the exam time, we have to proceed with the question paper of statistics. Okay, so without wasting time, let's proceed with the question which came in the year 2023 first. So as per the weightage, total 12 marks question came in 2023. So if you have gone through my all the videos, definitely you'll get 12 marks at least in out of 40, which is the good number. Let's see what is the question came in 2023. Now this question says observe the following table and find mean. Okay, mean they asked to find, and they have given the assumed mean straightforward. Okay, assumed mean they've already given. So here it's the assumed mean, and they calculated everything, fi, di, and everything, and we know how to find the assumed mean. We have to find the mean using assumed mean. What is that? Assumed mean plus summation of fi di divided by n. And what is the n? N is nothing but total number of frequency, which is 50 already calculated, and FIDI is already calculated 320. Assume mean is also calculated. So what you have to do, it's very straightforward. Simply substitute the value and get the answer. What is A here in this case? 300 plus FIDI is 320 and N is 50. Solve it quickly. So 300, what can be cancelled? 10 can be cancelled, remaining 32. 32 divided 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20. So your answer is 306.4, and this is your mean. How much time it takes? Not more than 2 minutes, and that's the reason it's for 2 marks. Simply. Let's move next question. And here in this question they ask to find the median. Okay, so what is given? They have given the number of mangoes class, number of trees they have given, and they ask to calculate the median. And then in this case you should remember the formula of median, right? If not, no worries, I've given the description of the video where I have covered everything about median. Just go through it. But the formula says L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, and you should know how to calculate all this value. Okay, so what is L in this case? Lower limit of the model class. N by 2 is total frequency divided by 2. CF is cumulative frequency of the previous model class, and F is frequency of that class. H is the class mark difference. Now how to get that? First you have to write the frequencies, the cumulative frequency. Okay, let's do that quickly. Here 50 to 100, 33, 30, 90, 80 and 70. Let's do the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, just add to the previous one. 33, 33 plus 30, like this. So it will become 63, 63 plus 90, 153, 153 plus 80, 233, and 233 plus 70 is nothing but 250. Okay, now this is the total cumulative frequency. Perfect. How to find model class? Again, it's part of detailed discussion, but here I'll tell you. So 250 divided by 2, how much? 125. So I'm sure 125 will not be below 63. So 125 should be part of this particular class, and this will become your model class. Okay, a lower limit of the model class is what? 150. So L is become 150, and the frequency of that model class is 90. So F is become 90. Okay, cumulative frequency of the previous two model class, which is 63. So CF will become 63, and H is the difference of the class. So 150, 200, so 50. H is nothing but 50. For what you are waiting for, just substitute the value and get the answer. Isn't it very simple? Just you have to know the concepts. That's it. So I've written all the values in the formula, and let's solve it quickly. Simply we can cancel at least 1 0. So solving this further, we'll get 150 plus 250 divided by 2, 125, minus 63 divided by 9 into 5. So 150, 165 minus 63, 2 divided by 9 into 5. Solve this bracket further. So it will come around 34.44, and add this, it will become 184.44, and this is your median, and that's your answer. Okay, simple, right? If you have any doubts, go through my videos which I have detailed discussion, and even if any doubts, comment me, I'll help you out. Let's move to the next question of 2023. Okay, this question shows the following data, and they're asking to find the frequency polygon, right? Again, if you remember, in frequency polygon we have to calculate the class mark that you have to plot on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. Why class mark? Because this is the polygon, we don't have to draw bar diagram. Bar diagram comes in a histogram. Okay, let's quickly find the class mark. How to find the class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2, simply. So here in this case 400 plus 200 divide by 2, 300. Simply here now 500, 700, 900 and 1100. This is the class mark. And what is the frequency of this class? 240. Now we have the data. You have to draw the polygon. How to draw the polygons? That is also video created, but let's do that. Here the graph, this is x-axis and this will be your y-axis. On the x-axis you have to plot the classes, right? Since class starting from 300, so it's not starting from 0, so that one sign is compulsory, this sign is compulsory. Now you have to segregate in proper ranges and you have to put the values on x-axis. So based on the data, I have written the values on the x-axis as well as y-axis. X-axis I've started with 300, 500, 700, 900, 1100 till, and y-axis difference is 50. It's up to you how much difference you can keep as per the graph paper. Okay, so now plot the polygon. How to plot? First class mark 300, 240. So where 240 will come on 300? 200, 250 is here, right? So 240 will come somewhere at this point. This is your first point. Next, where is the next point? 300. 300 on 500. So where it will come? At this point. Similarly, plot others. So after getting all the points, what next you have to do? Join all the lines. Okay. How to join the lines? Simply, you have to join all these dots. And where it will end? So somewhere in the on the x-axis. Now this is your frequency polygon. Any doubts? You can watch my videos on frequency polygon in details, or else comment me, I'll help you out. This question is done and you got 4 marks. Congratulations. Now next question. Here the question says that a survey was conducted for 180 people in a city, 78 pizza, 68 burger and 58 chips. You have to draw pie diagram, only 3 values. It's easy, damn easy, and they've given for 3 marks. Let's do that quickly. 78 pizza, 68 burgers and 58 chips. Total is 180. They've already given. Angles you have to find, and to find the angles there is a simple, very simple formula to it. What is that? 70 divided by total 180 into 360. Very simple, you can cancel it. 2 140 is the angle. Similarly here 60 divided by 180 into 360. Similar here also 120. Here you can double it and you can write 100. Simple thing. Okay, I'll write it. Do not get confused. Calculation is also easy. So now you have 3 angles, 140, 120 and 100, that you have to draw. Let's do that. So I have drawn one circle of any radius, does not matter. Most important, you have to draw a circle and you have to find the angle. Place your protractor over here in the center and count to get angle 140. And where your angle 140 will come? So 140 will be here. Okay, now join line from center. Similarly, find the next one. How to find the next one? Simply, now you have to place your protractor with radius at this one. Now calculate angle 120, and where angle 120 will come? Here. With minimum effort, we got the pi diagram. Just write the values and you're done with 3 marks. Okay, so here it's 140, 120 and 100, and this is your pi diagram and you got 3 marks, right? So this way we have finished question came in 2023. In next video we'll cover the next year question paper. Till then, keep learning. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share to your friend.